Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, not a very good way to start off the week at all. On the opening part, the price made a little bit up of an upwards move, and then from there it was all bears the remainder of the day. And the reason why, even more so when you consider the overall chart, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos, but what we've been tracking is this 260 mark. And 260 has been important because it's not a matter of the price, being able to get up above it, because the price was able to get above it right there, but that didn't last very long, fell back below it. Got above it right there, lasted for a little bit while longer, but then fell back below it. Right there, couldn't even get above it, got rejected. And then more recently, once again, got back up above it, and even for a longer time. However, after today, the price has dropped right back down below 260, which puts it, again, right back inside of this range. So getting the true breakout of 260 has really been a challenge, and I've talked about it's almost as if this level has a magnet, and whenever the price gets up above it, the bears pull out the magnet to try to bring the price right back down, which is what occurred once more again today. So the price right back inside of this big channel. The good news is at least the price does still have the opportunity to try to chip away and build a higher base. Meaning if the price can stay up above, so actually this now becomes the key area of resistance real quick. This is just based on a foundational rule in charting. When levels of support are broken, they tend to act as resistance. But as far as supports are concerned, the ideal level now going forward is, can the price stay above 250? And 250 would be nice, because at least at that point in time, if the price were to come down there, bounce around, and then begin to work its way back upwards, you have a scenario where you'd have lows right there, you'd have those lows right there, and you'd have those lows down there. And if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, at least you have stair steps now making progress in the upwards direction still within the channel itself. Now, if the price just crashes down through 250, at that point, everything else just continues to shift more and more for the bears. But as of right now, the overall chart, like I said, still does have the opportunity to. Actually, why don't I just do this as I think out loud? Why don't I just put a trend line in place? And let's see if the price can at least now stay above this trend line, because if it can do that, then that does imply that the overall trend is still slightly upwards, even though it's disappointing that the price fell back below 260. We'll see if the price can continue to start to chip away with some higher bases or not. So disappointing start to the week, but still 4 days left, so we'll see if things can get turned around. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.